Alright, let's look at this result. Let's prove that summation from k goes from n to m, ak times bk is equal to summation k goes from n to m minus 1, sk, s of k is a partial sum, times bk minus bk plus 1, plus sm times bm minus Sn minus 1 and Bn. Right? It's kind of hard to see how useful this is going to be, but we'll see some application. But let's try to prove this. Right? So let's start with the left hand side. So we have a summation. K goes from n to m, ak, and a bk. Alright, so what we can do is we can rewrite AK with this. Since using a partial sum, AK, so this guy can be rewritten as S of K minus S of K minus 1. Alright, so let's put that in. So we're going to have SK minus SK minus 1 times BK. Alright. Then I'm going to split this into two summations. So you have a summation. K goes from N to M. Right. So you have SK. And basically distribute, BK to this guy and also that guy, right? So we get BK, right? Then minus, we have a summation, right? K goes from N to M. Then you have a SK minus 1. BK. Right? And the next step would be looks like we have n goes from n to m minus 1. So I'm gonna take the last term out. So this is going to be summation, right? K goes from n to m minus 1, right? Then SK, BK, right? Then of course the last term would be SM, BM, right? And here I'm gonna shift the index a little bit. So I'm gonna instead start from K goes from N minus 1, right? Then M minus 1. So I shifted the indices by 1, so it's by subtracting 1, which means that I have to change these guys to SK, add 1, and you have a BK plus 1. Alright, then you have so first the extra one when K equals N minus 1, so I'm going to pull that out. So you're going to have summation K goes from N to M minus 1, SK, BK, plus SM, BM, minus, right? So this guy, if I start from K from N to M minus 1, SK, BK plus 1, then I will still have to have the first term, so with the negative sign, and the first term would be Sn minus 1, Bn minus 1 plus 1, it will be N. Alright, then we're basically done. We can combine these two summations together to get summation K goes from n to m minus 1. Sk is in common, so we can just do bk minus bk plus 1. Then here is plus sm bm. Then you have a minus Sn minus 1 Bn, which is exactly the same as the right hand side. So we're finished. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.